Hello friends, how are you? The point of this video is because I like filming things that are very close up so you can really see detail, and I'm not getting that with this lens. I'm trying to show you how terrible of a job I'm doing on certain things, and I'm just not getting the resolution I want with this lens. Do two things today. It's going to be a clean, I'm dressed nicely, a clean day, clean and not quick and dirty. I don't want to say quick and dirty, clean and dirty, quick and clean, quick and clean. Anyone say that? That's weird sounding. I'm going to do a quick and clean install on that. So got these are the basically cheapest bar clamp mount kit you can get from Amazon. Filmed with the cheapest, well maybe not the cheapest, but lens. So let's try it out. So I am doing a lens check here. This is a standard lens on a GoPro. I am using this as an example. Before and after. Look how dirty my shop is right now. Don't look at it. Look at it, but don't look at it. But I'm using this as an example for a new lens I bought. I'm tapping the screen on the back of the GoPro like it'll help focus. That's not how GoPros work, sir. Let me show you what I'm going to throw on. It's pretty much the cheapest lens you can buy for macro from Amazon. It says 15x macro lens ... Rs on your camera, end parentheses. Yeah, so JSR June STAR June Star, I guess. Retain amazing moments, and then a bunch of hieroglyphs, a bunch of hieroglyphs. I don't know what they mean. And I also have an install that I want to do today. Let's slap it on there and see what it looks like. So I just opened the package up, took off the cellophane here, opened this up, and it comes in this pretty nice little nifty case. It's actually a little nicer than the replacement lenses I got. I'm trying to do this one-handed. So you can see this lens has kind of a convex to it, and that's supposedly what does the magic. Now looking through the new lens here, hey, that looks pretty good up to there. See if you can see some of these other things. Wow, jeez. Yeah, it works pretty good. So now you can actually see my terrible job I'm doing. The details. I'm wondering if it's going to make everything look super foggy. This doesn't look like it's in very good focus. Alright, let's do it. Alright, so what I am installing today is Lamphus. 2 sets of Lamphus off-road light horizontal bar clamp. 1 inch, 1.5 inch, 1.75 inch, and 2 inch. So I'm going to mount it right here. Boom. So, see what we have here. That was a blocky baggie. Couple instructions. A couple rubbery doodads. This is how you get different sizes. Those are big fatty fat. Kind of in the middle, fatty fat. It's kind of looks like it was made of 2 different molds. And I don't know what this is for. Foam. Then we have these guys. I was actually thinking, I bet you I can make these, but after seeing it made for 12 bucks, I'm like, just go with those. That fit is terrible. Couple lock washers. They look like stainless, but they're not stainless screws. I think these are aluminum. They look like they're cast aluminum. So with the macro lens back on, you can see the quality here. These pieces are about 1 inch thick, and the finish on them isn't the best, but I mean, that's what you get when you get something from Amazon. This piece I actually dropped and it flecked off the paint pretty easily, but I mean, I guess you can just touch that up if you need it. When you put the pieces together, you can see that they don't really fit that well, but for 12 bucks, I mean, it's pretty decent. Can't make them for that cheap. When you put the pieces together, you can see some light there, so the fitment isn't perfect, but yeah, I think we're gonna get it on the 4Runner and get the other lens back on, and here we go. It's about 2 inches inside. The instructions say insert. Pretty easy. I think we're gonna need these to mount onto here. Mount it forward, mount it backward. cross-threading. I don't think it is, though. I just think it's a cheap feeling. Cheap. Alright, this little guy. So before I continue, I'm going to show you what I'm actually installing. This little light. I think for now I'm going to go like this. Yeah, at least they send you 2 extra washers. Where's the light? Alright, so I can put it like this. These might hit there though. This needs some washers. I need washers. Washer! I need 2 washers. These are too big. These are too small. Yeah, these will work. I think if I kick this up this way, that sits back a little better rather than having it out here. I mean, that kind of looks cool, look kind of pre-runner, but at the same time, we're dealing with trees and you don't want to rip it back. It's probably smarter to have it back here. If it gets bonked, it could hit that, but it'd have to really get bonked. So I think that's a good spot for it. Too many things in my hands. Let's flip this one around. If you can't see, I can't see. You can actually probably see better than I can. This guy, man. That guy. What is that? What's going on here? Look at that. That's washer. Like wonky washer. Oh my gosh, this washer won't even fit in here. Did it drop and I picked up a different washer? Look at the different size of that thing. Was that really what? Whoa, look. This is the washer I dropped. I just happened to find that one sitting right there. What a trip. Who else is around here? That was weird. That was like a magic trick. There we go. Ah! Watch, I pick up a different wrench. Okay. Squeaky. Washer. No! Great. Where did it go? I love this flashlight. It's Husky. So nice. For this exact reason. There it is. See? That right there is totally worth whatever cost this light is. Oh, I bought a new one. That's right. Why is everything stacked right where I need to be working? eBay. Did you just say eBay? There it is. Okay. Yeah, another reason why I like this magnetic base. Articulating. Has 3 settings for light. Best flashlight ever. Come on. There it is. I should just go grab my own Allen. But I'm using the tools provided to finish the job. Ow. I don't know if you know this about Allen wrenches, but you're only supposed to tighten the Allen wrench using this side, and you're only supposed, and then you can loosen with this side. You're not supposed to tighten with this side, because you can over tighten an Allen. That being said, yoink. No one listens to that rule. You know what? I listen to that rule when I'm doing something like working on my guitars or something, or electronics or something touchy. I know what it feels like before it starts stripping. I'm not going to overdo it like this, especially with this itty bitty little thing. So now let's tighten those up. It's probably 12. 12. That's my Metallica voice. 12. Yeah, I know. It's a mess. Don't judge me. Oh, it's probably 13. Now that I'm thinking 12. 13! I have like 5 projects going on right now. I need to finish one of them and get them posted. Oh my god. Put it back just to grab. That's like writing something on a list and then scratching it off because you did it. God, this light's so annoying. Get out of my way. Waka waka. Minis. Minis. Watch, I install this thing and then find out it doesn't work. Missing a bolt. Missing a bolt. Ow. Let's get some jumpers. 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 This thing's in my way. I'm done with you. Oh, here they are. I knew that's where they were. That's why I opened that drawer. See that? I put things away when I know I'm going back into that drawer to get something. Black to black, red to red. All right, Tommy. Light it up. Yes. Yes. Boom, baby. I like it. All right. Nothing to it but to do it. We got to wire it up. Ooh, I can't see anything. All right, guys. A couple other shots on that with the new lens. And don't forget to like, subscribe, share, ring the bell, whatever you got to do. All that stuff. And I'll see you next time.